Sinsang Taytay Leho. My name is Vivian Augusta. I am 37 years old. I live in Haclupan, Talisay City, Cebu. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, washing, and marketing as well. My first work experience in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months, from December 2013 to January 2016. I have served 4 members of the family. The couple age is 30 and 26 years old, and 3 years old daughter, and 1 newborn son. My duties are take care the newborn son, cleaning, washing, marketing, and cooking as well. My second works experience in Malaysia for 2 years and 1 month, from May 2016 to June 2018. I have served 3 members of the family. The couple age is 50 to 47 years old and 2 years old son. My duties are take care the 2 years old son, cooking, cleaning, washing, marketing, gardening, and car washing as well. My third works experience in Hong Kong for 1 year, from September 2018 to September 2019. I have served 4 members of the family. The couple age is 50 to 55 years old, and 21 years old son, and 18 years old daughter. My duties are cooking, cleaning, car washing, marketing, and ironing as well. Unfortunately, terminated by the employer without any reason. My fourth work experience in Hong Kong for 6 months, from September 2019 to March 1, 2020. Unfinished contract due to emergency vacation in Philippines because my daughter killed herself. When I'm come back to Hong Kong, it's already worldwide lockdown because of COVID-19. My fifth works experience in Qatar from July 2021 to July 2022. I have served 5 members of the family. The couple age is 50 to 47 years old, and 18 years old girl, and 8 years old son, and 2 years old son. My duties are take care the 2 years old son with the Down syndrome, cooking, cleaning, washing, and prepare the food for them and send the baby to school. And I'm willing to take care the elderly and the children. I can sing the nursery rhyme, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I promise I will be a good helper to you and to your family, and I respect to the whole family, and I can treat the children as my own. And I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and God bless you.